Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to shoot you a walk-around, start-up and drive video of this gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sport. This car is a real deal Super Sport with the original build sheet. This car is completely custom front to back. This car has a built 540 big block in it, a built 700R4 transmission. It has drilled and slotted rotors all the way around. It has Willwood brakes on it. It has built specialty wheels on it, cowl induction hood, all brand new red leather interior, power windows, power door locks, round gauge car, 12-bolt rear end. This car is absolutely gorgeous, and it looks as good underneath the hood as it does underneath the car. Underneath the car is painted base coat, clear coat, floor pans, all stainless steel exhaust. This car is one hot rod. Wait till we go for riding this thing. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Check out the underneath the hood of this car. Completely highly detailed. Ring Brother hood hinges, polished aluminum intake, all polished pulleys, marked pulley systems. Tubular upper and lower control arms, long tube hooker super comp headers, Willwood master cylinder. Just check out the quality of this car. It is just unbelievable. The guy had in excess of $150,000 building this car, plus what the car costs. So it's a $200,000 plus built car. Interior is just absolutely gorgeous. Everything about it. ShiftWorks console in it with the overdrive button on it. Brand new headliner. All brand new carpeting. Check out the door jambs. Chevelle. It's got the Chevelle Super Sport floor mats in it. All the Super Sport door panels. Like I say, you'll have to look at my pictures on my website of this car. The undercarriage of this car. Just absolutely fantastic car. I'm going to start this car up. This thing is an absolute animal. It's so fun to drive. Air conditioning blows ice cold in this car. This isn't a cheap car. This car is listed at $109,000. If you're interested in this car, give us a call here at Kenyon Classic Cars and make us a serious offer on it. Tilt steering column, wooden wheel. All the lights work, all the gauges work, just like you would expect. If there's a little dust or dirt on it, I apologize. I had it sitting outside for a few hours this morning. But you want to talk about having the baddest 70s Chevelle around, this is the one you want to buy. Because you take this thing to the car show, you're definitely going to draw a lot of attention. I don't think there's hardly a flaw in this paint or body in this car. This thing is really, really, really nice. You can just see the quality of this car. We're going to go for a drive here. Turn the phone over here to my helper, and she's graciously gonna assist me when taking this video. This is one of them cars when you step on it, you want to maybe have both hands on the wheel. This car this quality is just unbelievable. Go down here, we'll turn around and I'll step on her a little bit. It's got a really nice dash in this car. All the gauges work. It's got a tach. It's got a big oil pressure gauge in it. I know some of them have a clock, but they put a big oil pressure gauge in this thing. Going down the highway at 65 mile an hour, it's got 70 to 80 pounds of oil pressure, so if that's any indication of how well this engine's built. I got binders in this car, all the details, all the descriptions, everything on this thing that the previous owner, when they built this car, all the receipts, invoices, everything's there. It's a pretty radical car. It's pretty radical when you want it to be radical, and it's very driver friendly when you want to drive it down the road. You can see how well this thing drives. Just look at the steering wheel going down the road. I don't have my hands on the wheel. Everything's tight in the front end. Just an awesome car. It'll get out and go. We were running about 85 there. We probably better tame it down a little bit. We don't want to get a ticket from the cops. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. I hope everyone has a great Memorial Day weekend. Spend some time with your family and friends. Don't forget about your loved ones that have passed. And I'll talk to you next week. Thanks for watching our videos, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom of this video. That way you never miss another great collector car from Kenyon Classics.